Hi guys, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super fun Minecraft cake. Now, Minecraft is such a creative little game and it really makes the caking possibilities endless. And the last time I made a Minecraft cake, I made a pull-apart diamond sword cupcake cake. And if you guys haven't seen that before, you can pop over to my channel and check that out after you finish watching this video. But today we're going to make something a little simpler. Today we're going to make a simple square Minecraft cake, and we're going to make some cute little Minecraft decorations to decorate it with. This cake should be fairly simple and really fun, so let's get into it. So for today's cake, I baked up 2 quarter slab 9x13 chocolate fudge cake layers, and we're going to begin by trimming these down and leveling these out using my cake leveler. And you can save your cake scraps and freeze these for cake pops, or you can have it as a snack, but I'm just going to discard mine for now. So now I don't know if you noticed, but our cakes are a rectangle and I said we were making a square cake. So the first thing we're going to do is take our ruler and we're going to measure our cake. And then we're going to cut off approximately 1/3 from each of our layers, and then we're going to use those 2 smaller pieces to make a 3rd layer for our cake, and we're going to put that in the center. Alright, now it's time to stack and fill our layers. Now we're going to be using a chocolate American buttercream to cover most of our cake, so we're also going to be using that to fill our layers too. So we're just going to begin by adding a little bit of icing to our cake board so our cake has something to stick to. Then we're going to attach our first layer. Give it a press for it to stick. And then we're going to proceed to fill and stack our layers. Alright, now once you finish stacking your cake, you're going to go ahead and finish cleaning up around your edges, and then we're going to pop our cake in the fridge to chill for about 15 minutes to let our layers firm up. Alright, once your cake has had some time to chill and has firmed up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and give this a nice light crumb coat. And I'm going to apply my buttercream using my small offset spatula, and we're going to smooth it out using this bench scraper, making sure we get in all these nooks and crannies. Alright, there's our crumb coat, and I think that looks really good so far. Mind you, this part doesn't have to be perfect because we will be putting on another coat of icing later on. So we're going to pop this in the fridge to chill and let it firm up really, really well. And in the meantime, while we're waiting, we're going to make some fondant decorations. So as I said before, the possibilities are endless when it comes to decorating Minecraft cakes, and that can make it a little bit of a challenge to decide what to make for your cake. So we're going to make a few different things. So as you can see here, I have some pink, some green, some white, and some red fondant, and I already added some tile powder to help it dry a little bit faster. So the first thing we're going to make, and I'm sure you guys are going to recognize this little guy, and that's going to be a creeper. Then I'm also going to make a cute little piggy and a couple of little blocks of TNT too, plus a few other little finishing touches. And I also have a couple of special little finishing touches for when we're wrapping up the cake in the end. So I can't wait. This is going to look awesome. So let's get these finished out. So I finished with all my make-ahead decorations and I've set them to dry while we finish the rest of the cake. So the next thing I want to show you guys was really fun. So I was searching online and I came across the perfect Minecraft font to personally customize our cake. So I'm going to use this stencil that I created and I'm going to roll out some of this gray fondant and we're going to cut out our letters, shape them a little bit like stone, and then I'm going to set them to dry with the rest of our decorations. Alright, there's our name tag, and I think that looks great. I cannot wait to see it on the cake. It is going to look awesome, and they were so easy to make. Okay, so that's it for all of our decorations, except for a few little squares that I have to make as a border after we finish icing our cake. So I'm going to go grab our cake now so we can give it its final coat of chocolate icing, a little bit of green icing on top, and then we're going to put it all together and I'll show you what it looks like. And ta-da! Here it is, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love it, but if there's one thing I can say about it is if you are a self-proclaimed perfectionist like myself and your very own worst enemy, allot yourself tons of time to make all these little figurines because they do take a really long time to make, although worth every second of it because I absolutely love this cake and I really hope you guys will like it too. If you did, you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up and lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.